Okay, now we are to discuss about another question related with this segment reporting. Please look at the question. Question number 2. An entity has identified the following segments. The details are given in the question. Segment ABC, LMN, PQR, XYZ. And total for entity is given in the question. External revenue, internal revenue, profit and asset wise result of all segments and entity are given in the question. Then you have to be discuss which of the segment would be reportable under the criteria identified in IFRS 8. You are also required to write condition to be satisfied by a reportable segment. An entity must report separate information about each operating segment. That definition of operating segment is satisfied, and segment total is 10% or more of total revenue, including external and internal, all operating segments, or profit of all segments not reporting a loss, all segments in loss if greater, or asset of all operating segments. Those are the conditions with respect to reportable segment. Likewise, you have to be find out whether identified reportable segments account for 75% of the entity's revenue. If the answer is yes, then aggregate remaining segments into all segments category. If the answer is no, then additional segments must be identified even if they do not meet the 10% threshold. Those are the conditions. Now, on the basis of those conditions, you have to be discovered. You have to be find out which would be the reportable, which of the segment would be reportable under the criteria identified in IFRS 8. You have to be find out which of the segment would be reportable under the criteria identified in IFRS 8. Okay, please look at the question. Here, a total revenue is 98,000 plus 45,000. That means 1,43,000. 10% of 1,43,000 will be 14,300. Total revenue of ABC is 80,000. That means 80,000 is more than 10% of total revenue. Likewise, total revenue of segment LMN is 45,000. That means 45,000 is more than 10% of total revenue. On the basis of the second condition, on the basis of the two conditions, first condition, definition of operating segment is satisfied. From the question, we may conclude that all segments are operating segments. Why? External revenue, internal revenue, profit, asset, etc. are given with respect to all segments. That means we may conclude that all segments are operating segments. Now we have to discuss about the second condition. On the basis of the 2A condition, you may conclude that segment ABC and segment LMN are reportable segment. Now, you have to be discuss about the profit. Profit of ABC 10,000, profit of LMN 5,000, profit of PQR 1,000, profit of XYZ 500. Then total profit will be 16,500. That means profit of ABC is more than 10% of total profit. Likewise, profit of LMN is more than 10% of total profit. That means here on the basis of condition 2B, we may again conclude that segment ABC and segment LMN are reportable segment, but segment PQR and segment XYZ are not reportable segment. Then another condition, 2C. Segment total is 10% or more of total asset of all operating segments. Okay, total asset value 87,000. Asset of segment ABC is greater than 10% of the total asset. Likewise, asset of segment LMN is greater than 10% of total asset of the entity. That means on the basis of condition 2C, you may again conclude that segment ABC and segment LMN are reportable segment. That means at the end here, that means at the end, I may repeat the point again. It means at the end here, segments ABC and LMN are reportable segments on the basis of segment total is 10% or more of total asset of all operating segments. On the basis of all conditions, whether it can be 2A, whether it can be 2B, whether it can be 2C, only segments ABC and segment LMN are reportable segments. Okay, thank you.